Hi everyone, starting with the wrists. Make sure you don't hurt yourself on this one. We don't push too hard, just enough to get a deep stretch. Pushing back as much as we can. For the forearm, you get stiff when we use the drill a lot. And then the opposite side, 10 or 10 reps, 10 or 20 reps. Just as far as you can go, make sure you don't strain yourself. Not too far back. We're going to go into some strengthening. Up and down reps, maybe 10 or 20 again. I find that this really helps my wrists when they get inflamed. Don't forget to breathe. Now we're going to move on to the knees. The knees are attached to the hips, so we got to stretch those hips. So pull the knee close to your chest. And remember not to hurt yourself, and then pull to the side. And breathing. And then from there, you can go further to the side. This is a nice deep lower back stretch. Feels great after a tough day or in the morning for me, especially bending over, laying bricks, or doing anything down below, like flooring or baseboards, or squatting a lot of work. Make sure you breathe deep. Now the opposite side. As close as you can go, it will get closer in time. The knees really hurt when I wear those steel toe boots a lot for a long period of time, 8 or 10 hours a day. Sometimes I bring flip-flops and switch when I'm driving. Birkenstocks are my favorite. Seems the longer I wear steel toes, the more pain my knees get. The back too. I'm going to go into some strengthening exercises for the knees after the stretches. Don't forget to breathe. And now we're going to do some butterflies. Those feel great. Sometimes I sit like this while I'm watching TV on the couch. It really stretches my hips, opens them up, and it's not that hard. Seems awkward, but it's pretty good. Okay, make sure you breathe. Alright, let's try these strengthening stretches for the hips. Those I do about 20, sometimes I do 50 in bed before I go to sleep if I feel tightness on my hips or my knees or pain. I find that it relieves the pain right away. It's really great. I believe that's from sitting a lot, just sitting in the truck, moving material, or just bending up and down all day. And the opposite side, 10 or 20 reps should do it. You can do more if you want. Once I start these, I feel like my hips are asking for more reps. So you can do 10 or 20 or 30, depending on how you feel. And last we have a back. I think this pose is called baby pose. It's for lengthening the spine, especially if you bend over a lot or looking in the phone, texting clients and workers or your boss. Make sure you breathe deep. And this one is called the puppy pose. For a little bit of a deeper stretch, but also not just the spine, but the shoulders as well. Opening the shoulders is something that I need to be doing a lot because I'm working on the ground a lot, like laying interlock and screwing up deck boards, or grading or soldering or anything like that, or lifting blocks. So you keep looking down and focusing below. And this one I saw online, I believe it's for your triceps. I like that one, especially if you work out a bit, but also it is kind of like a variation of the shoulders. It helps me to stretch them further. You could try it as well. Really feels great. Don't forget to breathe. Open those shoulders up. And triceps. And this one is one of my favorites, just to open the chest a lot. Sometimes I keep that for like a minute or longer. If you lock in your one hand, just like down on the floor, and then use your other one to push back. Really feels great for me. And the opposite side, of course. Yeah, don't forget to breathe. Deep breaths in from the nose and out from the mouth. This is the type of stretches that really help with my knees and hips and the chest, just to, if I feel really stiff. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Tell me in the comments below how it feels, and feel free to ask any questions. Like and subscribe, and enjoy your day. Thanks again.